Last time, we lit the details. This time, we're filling the entire yard. We are back at the 608. It looked good, but the space still felt empty.
This is what was missing.
That's where floodlights come in. Everything you need for an installation is included right here in the box. You get your floodlights, your power adapter, your control box, and your ground stakes for installation. And the installation could not be easier. You stake them into the ground, you aim them, plug them in, and you're done. We use spotlights to highlight what matters on our home, and floodlights to fill in the rest. Lighting is a design element. It requires textures and layers to create a complete look. And remember, these are smart lights from Govee. This means these are capable of showing 16 million colors and nearly unlimited scenes and animations. I don't do half-lit yards. The entire yard is starting to feel finished. But we are not done yet.
Up next, tree lighting.
If you missed episode 1, we started with spotlights.